There are 3 colors you should never mix when making an outfit.
Combo number 1. Orange and green. I look like a full-on carrot right now. Keeping it strong with number 2, we have purple and yellow. Actually, we have the colors brown and gray. They're in the same tone range, and they still don't match.
Orange is Miyake jeans, green Gucci shirt. Same pants, green Margiela biker jacket.
Same pants, GK Kid flight jacket.
Orange pants, Carhartt work jacket. Purple coat, yellow robe. Purple pants, yellow shirt. Purple coat. Brown Our Legacy jacket, gray pants.